In today's video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Ukrainian Mathematical Olympiad edition 2005. Find all pairs of the positive integers mn such that we have this following equation. We have square root of m plus 2005 is divided by square root of n equals 2006. This 2005 is representing the year of this problem. So anyway, so our goal, we are going to find these terms m and n such that we have this term must be divide this term. At the same time, n must be a perfect square, and also this number must be an integer. Okay, so the sum of these numbers must be an integer as well. So I'm not gonna give any hints to this one because it's very straightforward problem and the information are very limited here. So if you would like to give that try to this problem, go ahead, pause this video when you want to come back to see the full solution. Okay, by the way, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Now let's get into the solution. The idea to solve this one, so if you take a look at the right hand side of this equation, so the right hand side of this equation is a positive integer. That means the left hand side of this equation must be a positive integer as well. If this one is an integer, that means this term is an integer, and also this term must be an integer. Okay, so in the other word, this square root of n divides 2005. At the same time, n must be a perfect square, and also m must be a perfect square as well. Square root of m must be a positive integer equivalent square root of m equals x, where is the x is a some positive integer. Okay, and also this term square root of n must divide 2005 equivalent 2005 equals k is multiplied by square root of n, where is a k is a some positive integer. So k must be different than 0, and also n must be different than 0 because n is located in the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to square both sides. I will have 2005 square equals k square is multiplied by n. This is equivalent n equals 2005 over k quantity square. On the other side, 2005 is the same as 5 is multiplied by 401. Since n is an integer, that means k must be divided 2005. Okay, so that means k is taking the following cases. So k is taking number 1 and k is taking 5, because 5 divides 2005 as you see here, and also 401 because 401 divides 2005, and finally 2005 because 2005 divides 2005. In order to find n, I'm going to plug all these values of k into n to find this one, to find m, because they are related. Okay, we have square root of n divides 2005, so that means k equals this fraction equals this quotient 2005 divided by square root of n. Now I'm going back to the original equation, so I will have square root of m plus this k, which is this one, equals 2006. Okay, so this is equivalent square root of m equals 2006 minus k. Now I have ended with this expression based on this equation, so the values of m are depending on the values of k. So as you replace k with any of these values, you will find m. So I have two equations, this expression to find m, this expression to find n. I'm just going to insert the values of k into this expression to find n, and for this expression I'm just going to insert the same values of k to find m. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. So I have square root of m equals 2006 minus k. This is for k equals 1. Okay, so we'll get here 2006 minus 1, which is 2005. By finding m, I'm going to raise number 2 as a power on both sides. So I will get m equals 2005 square. Okay, for this value with k equals 1, I have n equals 2005 quinary square, because k equals 1 here. So I have the pairs of the solution. I will have the pair of solution m equals 2005 square. For n, I will have the same thing, 2005 square. So by finding the second solution, so for k equals 5, for k equals 5, I will have square root of m equals 2006 minus 5, which equals 2001. So to find m, I'm just raising number 2 as a power on both sides. I will get m equals 2001 square. So here is the value of m. So we'll have the value of m equals this one, 2001 square. So to find n, by inserting number 5 here, I will get 2005 over 5. Since 2005 equals 5 is multiplied by 401, that means 5 will be cancelled out. I will be left with 401 square. So 401 square. Here is a second solution. I'm going to look for the third solution. For the k equals 401, I will get square root of m equals 2006 minus 401. I will get 1605. So by squaring both sides, I will get m equals 1605 square. Okay, here is the value of m equals 1605 square. For the n, I'm simply going to insert k with 401. I will get 2005 over 401. 401 will be cancelled out. I will be left with the number 5 square. So we'll have 5 square, which is 25. I'm going to look for the fourth solution. When we have k equals 2005, so we'll have square root of m equals 2006 minus 2005 equals 1. This is very simple. So the square of 1 equals 1. So we'll have m equals 1. So we'll have the last solution, m equals 1. By inserting k with 2005, I will get 2005 cancelled out. I will be left with number 1 square, which is 1. So here is n equals 1. So this is the only 4 solutions that I found. I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.